Want to start investing with just a few bucks and grow your money in 2025? Then you need to know about the best trading apps out there. Hey everyone, welcome back to Young Finance USA, where we make money and investing crazy simple. Today, I'm sharing the top 3 trading apps in the USA that can help you start investing today, whether you're totally new or ready to switch things up. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 3 is Webull. This app is awesome for beginners and people who know a little about trading. It's free to trade, so no extra fees eating up your cash. You can trade early in the morning or late at night, which is super cool. My favorite part? Paper trading. You can practice investing without risking any real money. The charts are great for learning, but it might feel a bit tricky if you're brand new. Once you get it though, it's a game changer. At number 2, we've got Fidelity. This app is like the gold standard for trust and reliability. It's perfect if you're thinking long-term, like saving for retirement or building a big portfolio. You can trade stocks and ETFs for free, and they've got tons of tools to help you make smart choices. The app's not the flashiest, but their customer service is top-notch, making it a great pick for anyone who wants a dependable app. And at number 1, it's Robinhood. This app made investing so easy that anyone can do it. It's perfect for beginners with its simple design, free trades, and even crypto like Bitcoin. You can start with just a few dollars, which is awesome. Quick note, Robinhood's had some controversies before, so it's better for casual investors than super serious traders. But if you're just getting started, it's one of the most popular apps out there. So, there you go, my top 3 trading apps for 2025. Webull, Fidelity, and Robinhood. Whether you want to practice, save for the future, or keep it simple, there's an app for you. Pick one and start growing your money. If you love this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below. Which app are you using, or which one are you excited to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.